Hello and welcome. I am Shilpa Jackson, Assistant Professor in the Department of Computer Applications from the Bhopal School of Social Sciences. In this video, we are going to learn a new web technology, that is ASP.NET using C#. In this video, we will be seeing introduction of ASP.NET framework, the need of .NET framework and the features of .NET framework. So, let us begin. First of all, let us see what is ASP.NET. ASP stands for Active Server Pages and .NET stands for Network Enabled Technology. ASP.NET is a server-side technology commonly used for web development. .NET is a framework. .NET is not a language, it is a framework. Hence, we need to use a language to code in ASP.NET. ASP.NET is a collection of libraries. What is libraries? Libraries are the collection of predefined functions. This framework can be used to build web applications, mobile applications and desktop applications as well. It was designed by Microsoft. The first version of ASP.NET was released in 2002. Now let us see the different tool requirement for the development using ASP.NET. As I told earlier that ASP.NET is a server-side technology. That means we need to have a server. So, the server which we are going to use here is IIS server, which stands for Internet Information Server. So, first of all, we need to create a server based environment. Okay. So, IIS will serve the same. Second is we need a framework. So, the framework which we are going to use here is .NET framework. Next is we need to have an IDE, that is Integrated Development Environment. So, this IDE will be provided by Visual Studio, which can be easily downloaded from the internet. Visual Studio Code is also available, but that is just for writing the code. The complete integrated environment will not be provided by Visual Studio Code. For that, we need to download Visual Studio. Last, we need a programming language. So, any programming language is compatible with .NET framework, C#, F#, VB, C++ or any other programming language. It supports around 60 programming languages. Now, first of all, let us see what is the need of .NET framework. Earlier, the programming languages used were C++, Java, PHP, which were domain specific. C++ was used for desktop application. Java was used for designing mobile application. PHP was used to design web applications. So, all these were domain specific. So, this new technology was created where we can build all three under one platform. That means it can be used to create desktop application, mobile application and web application. So, as discussed in the tool requirement, IIS server, .NET framework, Visual Studio, programming languages. So, we need not install each and every tool. Instead of that, we just have to install the IDE, that is Visual Studio. Visual Studio is a very powerful IDE where we can write our C# code. Since we are going to learn C#, we will be writing our C# code over here. It is popular because it supports easy code editing, interface design, server management, that is state management, debugging and performance analysis, all under one platform. Also, it can be easily downloaded online. So the IDE which we are going to use here is Visual Studio, which is a package. Now let us see some features of .NET framework. The first one, interoperability. So we have seen number of languages which can be used under .NET. As I told, 60 programming languages are supported in .NET. So each language can use the code written in another language. This is the first feature of .NET framework. Second, portability. The .NET framework is designed to run on any new version on Windows. And also it supports any operating system, Windows, Mac, Linux, any operating system. Third and the important feature of .NET is its base class library. It has a vast and robust base class library that provides a variety of functions which can be used for string manipulation, file handling, database interaction and XML document manipulation. The next important feature of .NET framework is common runtime engine. The .NET framework includes CLR, that is Common Language Runtime. Each language can use the code written in another language. That means there is no language barrier, hence making the development process easier. Next feature of .NET framework is language independence. As I told, it supports many languages. Hence, the programming can be easily done in any programming languages, that is C#, C++, F#, VB and many more. The last feature of .NET framework is security. Yes, high-level security websites can also be developed using ASP.NET. It offers a robust and flexible security model that is designed to prevent unauthorized access to resources and operations. That is all for this video. In the next video, we will understand the architecture of .NET framework. Thank you.